Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you? Hope you all are fine. I am your chemistry teacher of class pre-9th. Today we will discuss lecture 4 and our topic is silent features of long form of periodic table. Look at here students. This table consists of 7 horizontal rows called periods. First period consists of only 2 elements. Second and third period consist of 8 elements. Fourth and fifth period consist of 18 elements. Sixth period has 32 elements, while 7th period also have 32 elements and it is incomplete. Elements of a period show different properties. There are 18 vertical columns in the periodic table. You can see in the periodic table 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. In the periodic table, they are numbered 1 to 18 from left to right, which are called groups. The elements of a group show similar chemical properties. Blocks. What are blocks? On the basis of completion of a particular subshell, elements with similar subshell electronic configuration are referred as block of elements. Elements are classified into 4 blocks depending upon the type of the subshell which gets the last electron. There are 4 blocks in the periodic table named after the name of the subshell which is in the process of completion by the electrons. You can see in the diagram 4 blocks S, P, D and F. For example, elements of group 1 and group 2 have valence electron in S subshell. Therefore, they are called S block elements. Elements of group 13 to 18 have their valence electrons in P subshell. Therefore, they are referred as P block elements. The D block lies between the S and P block, while F block lies separately at the bottom. Periods. First period is called short period. It consists of only 2 elements, hydrogen and helium. Second and third periods are called normal periods. Each of them has 8 elements in it. Second period consists of lithium, beryllium, boron, carbon, nitrogen, oxygen, fluorine, and neon. Fourth and fifth periods are called long periods. Each one of them consists of 18 elements. Sixth and seventh periods are called very long periods. What are lanthanides and actinides? In the periods after atomic number 57 and 89, 2 series of 14 elements were accommodated. Because of space problems, these 2 series were placed separately below the normal periodic table to keep it manageable and presentable. Since the 2 series start after lanthanum Z57 and actinium Z89, so these 2 series of elements are named as lanthanides and actinides. There are different periods of a periodic table. In the table, there are period number, name of the period, number of elements and range of atomic numbers. In period 1, which is called short period, number of elements are 2 and range of atomic numbers are from 1 to 2. Second and third period are called normal period and it contains number of elements 8 and range of atomic numbers in second period is from 3 to 10 and in third period is from 11 to 18. In fourth and fifth period are called long periods and there are number of elements 18. Range of atomic numbers in fourth period is 19 to 36 and in fifth period is 37 to 54. Sixth and seventh period are called very long periods. Number of elements in 6 periods are 32 and range of atomic numbers are 55 to 86, while 7th period is incomplete. Different groups of periodic table. Group 1 called alkali metals. Group 1 consists of hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium and francium. Although elements of a group do not have continuously increasing atomic number, yet they have similar electronic configuration in their valence shell. That is the reason elements of a group are also called a family. Group 1 elements are called alkali metals. Second, alkaline earth metals. 13, boron family. 14, carbon family. 15, nitrogen family. 16, oxygen family. 17, halogen family. And 18, noble gases. There are general electronic configuration of these families are also given. What are transition elements? The group 3 to 12 are called transition elements. In these elements, D subshell is in the process of completion. Hope you understand the lecture. Thank you.